Hi everyone, this is Max from Your Websites, and today I want to show you what to do in the situation when you can't log in your WordPress dashboard. For example, I have my old website and I used my username, and here is saved password. I don't really remember my password, which is really common issue, and I click login and it doesn't work. So there are a few things you can do. First, of course, you can click lost your password and write your email here, and you will get it new password by your email. But if you don't know your email, you can't do this. Or sometimes you can't have access to this email. This email is some other user, etc. So what you can do, you should log into your hosting and find your phpmyadmin database. Okay, here it's how it looks like, and find the database here. There might be few, like 1, 2, 3, some other, and click on it, the database you need. To find the right database, this is really important. Be really careful with this. Go to the options and click it. Once you in the options, find here site URL and home URL. It should be your website. If it's not your website, don't edit this database. Okay, before we go to the next step, don't forget to subscribe on me, click like, and check the links in the description, which are for support channel. Okay, if you need some help, you can contact me by comments or by email, and I will help you with my support completely with a reasonable price. Okay, so what to do next? You made sure that the database is right, so you should go to the users, WP users, or some other prefix can be, but it should be users. And here you can see the list of all your users. There can be much a lot. Click edit. It's Russian, but click edit. Okay. And after there should be ID user pass. Here write your password like this. Okay. And in this column, in this checkbox, select MD5. It's okay. Here should be MD5. So user pass, here your new password, and here should be MD5. Okay. Click. Okay, save. And we are done here. And now let's go to our WordPress. You made sure I didn't edit here. Let's type my password, which I just copied. Click remember me and log in. And it works. Okay, update password, and it's pretty easy. If this solution didn't work for you, feel free to contact me by comments or by email, and I will help you. Also, make sure you know what you're doing, because some small issue in database can break everything on your website. So be really careful with this. If you don't know what you're doing, better contact me. Also, I will be thankful for donation. If you don't want to leave donation, you can check my affiliate links and buy something for yourself, and I will get some fees. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have a nice day. Bye bye.